So let's talk about, let's start with maybe holiday parties.
Mhm.
I know this is a time when there are parties for work or friends, and there are often a lot of goodies there. So how might you, suggest that we go about tackling that?
Yeah, I mean, I've been having these conversations, I mean, for the past couple of weeks with patients. Um, and I mean, we can apply the same things that we do other times of the years when there's like parties, there's birthdays. It just seems like during this time we have many of them in a row. So one of the things that I talk about with patients is kind of having a game plan before the party starts. And knowing how you want to approach the party, and if like it's a party that it's going to be catered, there's going to be food there, that there's going to be appetizers. Like, is your plan to like eat some of those appetizers, or is your plan to kind of like wait on the appetizers, really just like focus on the main meal and maybe skip over dessert? But knowing ahead of time like what you're going to do that day and how it's going to like align with your goals certainly helps, because in the moment when they're coming around with the appetizers, it's much easier just to like grab and rather than thinking about it.
Yeah, that's such a good point. I think knowing the plan and then sticking to it, right?
Mhm.
Because I know I'll say like, oh yeah, I'm not going to do dessert, but then when I get there and I see the 20 amazing desserts, but also sometimes it's because I'm starving when I get to these parties.